Hello guys, welcome back in a new video. In today's video, we will be trying to do cam lock on mobile. With keyboard and mouse, watch till the end for results. Now let's get started. Proof no Photoshop or something else. So yeah. Look, no Photoshop, I am moving mouse scroll. Trina move. Look, everything normal. Now here see the cameras. Moment of proof. Yes, it worked. Proof you need to have or see blocks. Now let's try to see I am not lying. Works. Just wow. A fly. Get out of here. Looks very cool. But now I am kinda shaking because it works. Just first time on mobile, I think someone did this. Like I might be first. But I don't know if it works on iOS but Android fine. But this is Bluetooth keyboard fine keyboard Bluetooth. That can connect with your tablet or phone. But anyways, can we get 10 likes on this vid? And want more tutorials or stuff, ask me on the comments for what's next.